Updating your credit card on PlanetScale is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment information is current. Step 1. Login. Access your PlanetScale account by visiting the website and entering your login credentials. Step 2. Navigate to billing. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SREC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select payment method. In the billing section, find the option to manage your payment methods. Click on it to view your current credit card information. Step 4. Update credit card information. Enter your new credit card details in the provided fields. Make sure to double-check the information for accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new credit card information, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to ensure your changes are applied successfully. By following these steps, you can quickly update your credit card information on PlanetScale. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to the support team for assistance.